they just keep being there. Dust rising under their shoes. I thought everything would shift once I came back different, but most of it kept its rhythm, unbothered by my change. It's still the same ground under my feet, still the same sky overhead. I move through other places, but this is where my steps were set. It's still the same ground, not asking who I've become. It doesn't question my distance, it just lets me stand. Some faces carry new lines, some houses carry new pain. Time move forward here too, just not the way I expected. I used to think staying meant freezing, now I see it means enduring. There's a strength in repetition, and showing up year after year. It's still the same ground under my feet, still the same wind in the trees. I may have changed direction, but this place never chased me. It's still the same ground, holding more than memory, not perfect, not untouched, just steady in its way. You don't always notice stability until you've tested motion. You don't measure constancy until you've tried to outrun it. Some places don't demand loyalty, they simply remain, and remaining takes its own kind of strength. It's still the same ground under my feet, even when I stand taller now. It doesn't shrink me back to who I was, it lets me be bold. It's still the same ground.